Hi guys, I am Mr. Murat. Today we are going to learn the difference between present simple and present continuous. What are we going to do here right now? The first thing will be about grammatical structures of each of tense forms. The second thing will be time adverbs. Third, we'll learn the usage of these tense forms. Fourth, we'll have some extra information. Fifth, we'll try to practice it by doing an exercise. And the last one, we'll have some questions to answer, which will help us to contribute our speaking. If you are ready, we can start. Grammatical differences. First, present simple. Present simple, as you can see, is only used with one simple verb. But present continuous is made by using to be plus verb ing structure. In negative form, we use don't or doesn't plus verb structure in present simple, whereas we use to be plus not plus verb ing structure when we want to make present continuous negative sentence. In question form, do and does will help us to make the question form of present simple sentences, but in present continuous we'll have to use to be and am is are at the beginning of our sentences. And one more, never forget that in present simple, when we have he, she, it or singular noun, we have to use verb with s ending. It is not plural ending. Time adverbs are really important in tense forms because when we want to use some tense forms, these time adverbs will help us to understand which grammar tense form we have to use. Present simple has time adverbs such as always, almost always, usually, often, generally, sometimes, not so often, seldom, rarely, never, almost never, hardly ever, once a week, twice a year, every day, every month. But present continuous has different time adverbs which are now, right now, at the moment, still. But depending on situation, we may have different time adverbs too, or even we may not have any time adverbs in our sentence. Usage differences. We use present simple when we talk about general actions, regular actions, or exact facts. And when we give personal information, we can use present simple. Whereas we use present continuous when we talk about ongoing actions, temporary actions, something going on now, or future actions, which will be in very near future. Okay, sentence examples. I always wake up at about 8 a.m. It is a sentence for present simple. It is 8 a.m. but he's still sleeping. She almost always listens to music on the bus, but now she isn't listening to music. She's talking to her friend. They play football once a week. They are playing football at the moment. As you can see, we use present simple when we talk about general things, regular actions, but we use present continuous when we talk about the action which is going on right now while we're speaking. Note, remember that there are some verbs that can never be used in present continuous tense form. We have here some groups like feeling, sense, communication, thinking, other states. If you wish, you can just stop the video here, you can take your notes, or you can learn these words. Let's go on. We have here an exercise. I'll give you some time, 1 minute, to do this exercise. After doing it, you can go on with our answers and you can check your tests. Okay, right now we have here some questions related to our tense forms. By answering all of these questions, you can practice this tense form in your speech. Okay, do you generally listen to music? Are you listening to music? Do you generally watch TV? Are you watching TV? Do you always stay in a hotel when you travel? Are you staying in a hotel? Do you drink tea in the morning? Are you drinking tea? Do you generally do housework? Are you doing housework? That is the end of our video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks so much.